morning everyone. Today we will continue about this chapter, that is the central tendency part 2. Before we start our chapter, we just recap whatever we had seen in the previous lectures. First, in this part, we just seen the median. Median with these three series, that is the individual series, second is the discrete series, and third is the continuous series. We already seen how to calculate mean in these three series. Here, just like a mean, that is the no criteria of direct method, shortcut method, and straight deviation method. This is a direct calculation by the only one formula. When we are talking about the individual series, what is the median formula? Size of n plus 1 by 2 observation. And what is the discrete series formula? Again, the same formula we just applied. That is the size of n plus 1 by 2th observation. But why we are talking about this 2? Why we are divided by 2 only? Because that is the median. That is a part of the median, and in the median, what happened? We just part of one line into two sections. एक को दो में divide करना है. So for that purpose we are divided by 2 only. When we are talking about the continuous series, the formula is little bit changed. It means the formula is size of n by 2th observation. You just focus that here I am not using plus 1. Clear? So for continuous series, that the size of n by 2th observation. But still we don't get the answer. Why? Because in this series we don't have the exact x. When we are talking about the continuous series, what is the continuous series? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. If you got the answer 10 to 20, so what is your median? What is the one value of median? It means जब भी हमें x bar या n की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो हमें कोई एक observation चाहिए. But when we are talking about the continuous series, this is not a single observation given in this. For that purpose, we just find out with the help of the another one more formula we can use. ये formula तो करना ही है, n by 2th observation we have to use. But after that we can see that another formula we can use, that is the m equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into the c. These all formulas we have already seen. But when talking about the continuous series, जैसे हमने mean में देखा था, different types of series are there. Missing values are there, missing frequencies are there, less than frequencies are there, more than frequencies are there, open-ended series are there, and we can say different class interval series are there. मतलब 0 to 10, then again 10 to 30, then 30 to 50, and 50 to 100, like this. It means a different class intervals is there. We already seen about this for the median. And after that we just learn about the Q1 and Q3. That is the quartile value. It means इनका चार्ट. So in that purpose we are part of the 3. जब भी किसी भी एक चीज को 4 भाग करना है तो आपको 3 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सपोज एक चॉकलेट है आपके पास, उस चॉकलेट को 4 फ्रेंड्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है आप लोगों को. तो क्या करोगे? एक टुकड़ा तोड़ोगे, एक पर्सन को दोगे, दूसरा टुकड़ा तोड़ के दूसरे पर्सन को दोगे, तीसरा टुकड़ा तोड़ोगे, तीसरे फ्रेंड को दोगे. देन फोर्थ वन इज योर्स. राइट? सो आपको एक चीज के 4 टुकड़े करने के लिए कितने की रिक्वायरमेंट है? 3 बार. आपने कितने बार उसको पुट करना पड़ा? 3 टाइम्स. 3 बार टुकड़े करने हैं केवल आपको. सो एट दैट मीन्स अगर एक चीज के 4 भाग करने हैं तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द Q1, Q2 एंड Q3. दिस इज द क्वार्टाइल्स वैल्यू. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द Q2, अगर एक का 2 कर देना है, सो फॉर दैट Q2 इक्वल टू m ओनली. जैसे हम m निकालते वैसे हम Q2 निकालेंगे. फॉर Q1 दैट इज द n plus 1 by 4th observation. 1 by 4th observation. क्यों? क्योंकि 4 से डिवाइड किया. एंड व्हाट इज द Q3 अपर क्वार्टाइल? ब्रैकेट के बाद 3 लिखेंगे एंड n plus 1 by 4th observation. सेम वे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सीरीज में सेम, और सेम वे व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मीडियन उसी तरह कंटीन्यूअस में यूज करेंगे. जैसे जैसे मीडियन को लिए फॉलो करते हैं, सारे स्टेप हम Q1 Q3 के लिए भी फॉलो करते हैं. वी ऑलरेडी सीन दैट आल्सो. नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट and hope so we just stop that also, but not, I think so this is not possible in this one lecture. We are talking about the mode. When you are talking about the mode, that is the Z, capital Z. You all are familiar with Z, है ना? Z it is the mode. What do you mean by the mode? Mode it means the is there, discrete series is there, and continuous series is there. Fine. For that purpose, we just start with the individual series. Now, that is one example of the individual series where the height in inches is given. Height is given to you. Fine. So, what is the height? 50 to 50, 60, 50 to 50, 60, sorry, 66, then 70, then 66, 72, 71, 72, 71, 66, 60, 67, 60, 67, 69, 67, 69, 67, 48, 60, 48, 60, and 65, and 65. Fine. This is the data of this numerical. Now listen carefully. What we are talking about, this is the mode. Z ढूंढना है आपको. So क्या करना है? Just see the frequency, most used frequency. Here 61, 110, 210, 310. So this is a 66 is in 310 and 60 only 2 times is there. Fine. So I think this is a 66. So 66 inches is your answer. ठीक है? जो most frequently है वो आपका आंसर है for individual series. Individual series के लिए Z बहुत easy हो जाता है. You just see that answer. If the most frequently ज़्यादा use कौन सा होगा? 66. So that is your answer. Now another question from the we can say another questions. अभी हम लोगों को दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखना है with the help of the observation. ये हमने किससे निकाला बेटा? ऑब्जर्वेशन फॉर्म में निकाला. हमने जस्ट ऑब्जर्व किया डेटा को और हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया व्हाट इज अवर Z. बट देयर आर टू मेथड, दैट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड. अब एक न्यूमेरिकल हम करते हैं जिसको हम लोग ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड से भी सॉल्व करेंगे और फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से भी सॉल्व करेंगे. Now, for that purpose, we can use this data 57. Next question. Data is 57, 50, 60, 65, 80, 40, 43, 63, 70, 60, 53, 57, 63, 53, 57, 60 and 57. Clear? ये डेटा हमारे पास है. Now we can use the first observation method. Observation method. For that purpose, we can see that we just arrange this data also, और हम लोग directly find out कर सकते हैं. So well and good. Or else we just arrange the data in the ascending order. So that is our observation, and this is our frequency. We are using the observation method. We are just using this method. So हम एक observation को पहले हम ascending में कर देते हैं. So which is the less than, this is the 40. So 40. 4 की series में और कौन सा बेटा? 43. So then 43. Now 50. Then 53. Then 5 की series में 57. 53 हो गया. मैं भी कट नहीं करती, अदरवाइज मुश्किल हो जाएगा. 53, 40, 43, 53, then 57, then 57, then 60, 60. When we are talking about observation, we just put the 53s how many times beta? 53 in 2 times I think so. 1 and 2. So you have to write down the 53 in 2 times. 57 3 times and 3 times with the in the observation method. Now next is the 60. 60 how many times beta? 1, 2 and 3. So you have to write down 63 times. Next, which one? 63 2 times. 63. यहाँ लिख देती हूँ. 65, 70 and 80. 65, 70 and 80. This is the observation, right? These are the observation. अब इस observation में आपको observe करना है. That is the observation method. So you just observe which one is occurs most. I think so 57, 1, 2, 3 and 4 times are there. So 57 4 times is there. So listen, 40 1 time, 43 1 time, 50 1 time, 53 2 times, 57 4 times, 63 times, 63 2 times. It means 57 used most. So 57 is your Z. That is the observation method only. Fine. When we are talking about the different, it means the frequency distribution. अगर सब में आपको दोनों मेथड से दिया है तो you have to follow both method. So हम लोग को सेम स्टाइल से ऑब्जर्वेशन को असेंडिंग में डालना है, बट एक ऑब्जर्वेशन एक ही बार लिखना है. Just like here observations. So first is the 40, second is the 43, third is the 50, then 53, then 57, and then 60. Clear? And then 63 and 65, 70 and 80. Clear? Now just observe that how much frequency is there. 40 how many times? Only one time. So 1. 43 only one time, only 1. 50 only one time, so 1. 53 1 2. So here write down 2. 57 1 2 3 4. So write down 4. 60 1 2 3. Write down 60 3 times. 63 2 times. So write down 2. 65 1 71 and 81. So 1 1 1. You just write down. See the frequency carefully. फ्रीक्वेंसी को बहुत अच्छे से देखो. क्या हो रहा है फ्रीक्वेंसी में जो हमें डेटा गिवन है वो हाईएस्ट कौन सा बेटा 57. फ्रीक्वेंसी देख के तुरंत आइडेंटिफाई हो जाता है. सो इन दिस वे z इक्वल टू 57 बिकॉज इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी इज हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. Clear? So this is the two method of the individual series. That is the first is the observation and second is the frequency distribution. Now second series is the discrete series. In the discrete series, as you know, students, क्या होता है? Observation and frequency both is given to you. So we just see that discrete series. Discrete series में सबसे पहले हम लोग observation या interpretation की method use करेंगे. So first example of this, that is the daily wages. Daily wages given to you in rupees and number of person. Number of person. It means it is your frequency. Clear? Now 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 and 150. Now this is 2, 4, 8, 10, 5, 4. Clear? See the frequency very carefully. How many people got the most frequently wages? You can see this is the highest frequency. यहाँ 10 highest frequency है. For that, we 130 people, 130 rupees. This is the highest frequency is 10%. It means highest salary wages here is the most frequently wages is the 130. Not highest. This is the most frequently. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को कौन सी सैलरी मिलती है? 130 rupees per day. Clear? So this is your Z in the frequency distribution. But when the distribution we are talking about that is one more we can say one more method is there that is very important also and different. अभी तक आप लोग ने 10th में भी अच्छे से नहीं किया, अच्छे से इट मीन्स बहुत मेथड नहीं किया. इट इज कॉल्ड द ग्रुपिंग मेथड. Grouping method we just use in the discrete series also and continuous series also. Fine. For that purpose, we just hold about the what is the grouping series. सबसे पहले इसे करना कैसे? For that purpose, as उसके पहले अभी हम एक और मेथड डिस्कस करते हैं, दैट इज द ऑलरेडी यू हैड सीन z इक्वल टू, बिकॉज ग्रुपिंग मेथड इज द वेरी वास्ट, बिकॉज हम लोगों को उसमें 6 ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं, टेबल्स बनाने हैं, कॉलम्स बनाने हैं, how to make the column and how to analysis this columns, that is a very big criteria, or we can say lengthy process. So we can continue this topic in the next period. Now we just discuss about the next z formula. It is the 3m minus 2x bar. You already see that the mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. टेंथ में ऐसा कुछ पढ़ के आया था? हाँ, when the median and mean is given and you just find out the mode, you just use this formula. For that purpose, we can see one or two sum for that purpose. That is the mean. If the mean is given to you, people, how to find out the median? How to find out the mode? Suppose if the mean series, if the mean and median is monetary. Example लेते हैं इसका, x bar is given, question is here x bar, यहाँ लेते हैं हम लोग, now just in the question x bar, it means mean is given to you, how much? 26.8 and median is given to you 27.9. You just find out the z. So what is your formula? Z equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So what is the 3? 27.9 is your m. 2 it means 26.8 is your x bar. You just calculate this. For that purpose, you got the answer 83.7 minus, that is the 53.6. You just minus of this. For you got the answer 30.1. So you got the answer of z is 30.1. Clear, students? This is a very simple way. Now we can take another example of this way only. If the mean of the series is 30 and mode is 25, थोड़ा सा different है. If the mean series is, next question is, if the mean series is mean is given to 30 and mode is 25, mean x bar given to 30 and z given to 25, what is your median? कोई भी दो चीज दी, एक चीज निकालनी, very easy. So write down the same formula, 3m minus 2x bar. Here mode is given to you, that 3m minus 2x bar, it means the 30. So 25 equal to 3m minus 60. So 25 plus 60 equal to 3m. माइनस से इधर जाएगा तो बेटा क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. इक्वल टू भी इधर उधर होता है तो साइन चेंज हो जाती है. नाउ व्हाट इज द आंसर? 85 इक्वल टू 3m. सो m इक्वल टू 85 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 3 2 is 6, 1 3 5 is 50. So m equal to 20. 85 divided by 2 is 6 is 25. So 5.2 0.85. It means the 385, 2 is 6, 2 5 8 24 1.03 28.33. Your m is 28.33. Clear, students? Listen. अब यहाँ m की वैल्यू आप 28.33 रखोगे और x की वैल्यू 30 रखोगे, you got the answer 25 of this side only. Calculation करके क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो. So this is a very easy way how to find out the m, z or x bar with this help of this formula. One more example we can see. The mode and the median of the monetary assembly in the series is 35 and mode and median 35 and 30. It means in this sum your mode is 30, mode is 35 and median is 30. Mode is 35 and median is 30. You just find out your x bar. So use same formula, z equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Clear? So 3z equals 35, 3 30 minus 2x bar. Median की वैल्यू दी हमने पुट कर दिया. Now 90 7s are 41.5, 27.5. So your x bar equal to 27.5. You can see clearly हमने तीनों तरह के सम किए, एक में हमने z निकाला, एक में हमने m निकाला, एक में हमने x bar निकाला. With the help of this formula, we have to find out all these three things. Clear students? So I hope you just understand what is about the z. अभी हमने आज नया कुछ नहीं सीखा. Almost you just observe that you already seen in the 10th standard this type of sums also. Fine. But when we are talking about the grouping series method, fine. Grouping series we can say, and discrete series with the help of the grouping analysis table. So this is the new one concept for you people, and next period we just will introduce this chapter with the grouping analysis table. Thank you. Have a nice day.